Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how I revived my neglected, damaged, breaking, super dry, neglected hair just with one step by using a hair mask, a do-it-yourself hair mask. And this mask has protein, it's going to help with hydration, strengthen, and when you do all of those things, of course it'll help with growth. So here I'm going to show you how I did this, and I did this for 4 months and my hair grew. It was a lot shinier, healthier, and it was doing so much better. So if you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. You can leave this mask in your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour or however long you want to. Just because it has egg in it, I wouldn't recommend using it for that much longer, but this is really great for strengthening. I really saw a difference. I did this every time I washed my hair, so at least once a week or at least every 2 weeks, and I did this for 4 months and I saw a great difference. Even in here, as I'm sectioning off my hair, you can see how dry my hair is. You can see how just dehydrated it is, and how when it's like this, it's so much easier for it to break. So this is another reason why I had to do this. I kept my hair in buns. I just wasn't really taking care of my hair. I wasn't doing hair masks. But these products right here that I'm using are like the OG. These are the ones that I always come back to when I'm like, you know what, my hair needs to look good. So this is why I really like these products. Make the weirdest faces. But here I'm just using my tangle teaser to style my hair, and I feel like when you use a Denman brush or a tangle teaser, it really helps to make the wash and goes last a lot longer. So if I can make it last longer, less buns and less knots in my hair, since when you put it up in a bun, it causes knots and it causes the shedding of your hair to be trapped in there, so when you do wash your hair, it looks like so much more hair. please let me know. And if you really like this video, then please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can see when I upload a new video, which will be very, very, very soon. Thank you.